any lessons before the actual test. Whew, another impossible drive test. Will it be a pass or fail? We never really had any practice because when Miss TERRi was trying to contact me, I was out and having my vacation in the Philippines. We never really had any practice. We still have 1 hour before the exam though. Will it be enough for us to really get things right? Will it be enough for Miss TERRi to get everything right? Hopefully she does. And as long as you're driving, as long as you're already driving before, there will always be a chance for you. Even if you have an hour of driving lessons before taking the test. This is another impossible drive test at hand. This is TYUKiTV. Please join us. Let's go!
February 20th. Chop and roast them for a sweet and hearty side. While supplies last, shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
San Francisco. Yeah, as yung HRV. Nasaan ka?
Dito po, sa labas.
Ikaw na yung nakalabas?
Ako.
Ah, yung may... Ah, hi! Let's go!
Hi po.
Oh, it's okay lang yan kasi mas lesser ang travel mo, mas medyo mabagal. Jojo!
Ay, TERRi po.
Uy, hindi tayo nag-practice ka isang beses.
Oo nga po eh. Kasi po late ko na po. Umuwi po kasi ng Pinas. Eh, ano naman, nasa ano po kayo? Umuwi po, nagbakasyon po
Oo nga.
kayo.
Di bale, may 1 hour pa tayo. Pero, driving ka na, di ba?
Opo.
Make sure yan, ha?
Opo.
Okay, so, merong, ang pinaka concern is, pag traffic check, paano ka mag-traffic? I mean, pag mag-changing lanes, paano ka mag-change lane?
Tingin mo na po dito, tapos yung
Signal.
Signal.
Mirror.
And then,
Tingin sa side mirror.
and then back.
Over the shoulder, ah.
Over the shoulder.
Pero, titingin ka lang sa over the shoulder mo pag ito clear. Okay, paano malalaman na clear or paano malalaman yung nasa likod mo is far enough? Yung side mirror mo, hatiin mo sa dalawa. Pag nasa upper half yung, ano ba, ito ano? Pag nandito yung kotse sa upper half, ibig sabihin, it's far enough. Pero pag nasa gitna yan, don't go. It's not far enough. Okay, so tandaan mo, palaging turn on your turn signal kasi pag hindi nila nakikita na may turn signal ka, baka akala nila hindi ka mag-change. So you have to make sure pag sinabihan ka ng examiner mo, change lane to the left, signal ka na agad, side mirror na agad. Bantayan mo lang kung may malapit or malayo sa'yo. Pag hindi na siya gumagalaw, over the shoulder, tingin ka sa harap, hindi gagalaw yung manibela mo. Check ka ulit, saka ka palang mag-go. Wag sabay-sabay. Hindi nila gusto yung sabay-sabay kasi nga, number 1 is beginner driver lahat ng nag-exam. Kahit magaling ka na, beginner driver pa rin ang tingin nila sa'yo. So ganun, tingnan mo. Signal, look at the mirror. Pag free, over the shoulder, tingin ka lang sa harap. Basta pinakita mo nag-over the shoulder ka, good na yun. Check ulit, and then pasok.
Nako.
It's okay lang. Okay ka na? Okay, sa exam mo Jojo pala. Sa exam mo, you have to make sure na you use your windshield wiper. Ang windshield wiper mo is going up, on and off lang yan. Hindi na babalik. Pero yung going down, 3 levels yan. Slow, fast, medium yan, and then fastest. So pag ganitong ulan, second, okay na yan.
Ayan ko lang po siya.
Yeah, wag mo nang hintayin sa examiner mo na turn on your windshield wiper. Siya palaging go ahead lang. Okay, practice muna tayo ng ito, mamaya na okay na yan. Okay, please. Okay, tandaan mo, every time your examiner tells you a command regarding change lane, ang ibibigay mo sa kanya, ibabalik mo or ipapakita mo is you turn signal, you look at the mirror, over the shoulder, parang change lane. Okay, so ganun din yan. Pag sinabi niyang pull out of the curb, pull into the curb, ganun lang yon. Parehas lang, signal, mirror, over the shoulder. Pag walang over the shoulder, baka ibagsak ka nila agad. Kasi that's safety. Okay, so let's pull out of the curb, please. Step on the brakes all the time. Put it in drive. Sandali, yung park mo naka-on pa. Ito, push down.
Push down.
Yes. Okay, so check kung wala ng red dyan.
Wala na.
Okay ka na? Okay, let's pull out of the curb. So you signal, you look at the mirror, over the shoulder. Very good. Okay, make sure walang sasakyan na nagpo-pull out sa harap or sa likod. Let's go. Pull out of the curb, please. Okay, let's go straight. Ano speed limit mo sa residential?
25.
25. School zone? 25 still.
25 still.
Yung 15 correct yun, pero it has to be posted. Kung posted siya, then okay, 15. Pero usually, pag hindi mo siya nakita, it's still 25. What about, dito na.
Dito na.
Residential.
Residential is 25.
Okay, what about business area?
It's 30.
30, okay, let's go. Ano speed limit mo dito?
25.
Alright. It's okay. Maghanap muna tayong stop sign. Tandaan mo, always look at your left corner. Pag walang stop sign dyan, dalawang beses kang dito because it's a merging lane. Ayun na, may stop sign doon. Okay, we keep going straight. Sa examiner mo, hindi makikipagkwentuhan yun. It's all directions lang. Pag hindi niya sinabi sa'yo mag left and right, it means you go straight. Huwag kang magtatanong. Either go, are we going left or right? Huwag kang magtatanong. Okay, at the stop sign, let's go make a left. How many stops?
2.
Oh, no, doon ka.
Kahit may gano'n lang.
Yeah, doon ka mag-stop.
Sorry po.
Doon ka sa may stop sign, doon sa may stopping line.
Oh!
The moment na hindi mo na nakikita yung line, stop ka na. Check. Meron bang stop sign sa kaliwa?
Wala po.
Mayroon, ayan,
sorry.
octagon.
Sa left.
Oo. Tingnan mo ito, pag nakita mo may 3-way, 4-way, or all-way sa ilalim, 1 stop lang yan. Let's go make a left. That's first in, first out.
Okay.
First in, first out. Let's go lang. It's okay lang yan. You always go to your correct lane. Okay, marunong ka mag-drive. So let's focus with the rules and regulations. Let's go straight. Okay, pag walang nakikitang line sa gitna, check mo yung manhole or yung blue indicator. Ibig sabihin, huwag ka nang pupunta doon kasi hindi mo na lane yun. Ayan, ang manhole. Nasa gitna lagi yun. Ayan. Tapos palagi kang mag-i-stop sa ibabaw ng word na stop. Yan, dito ka lagi. Kasi this is parking lane.
So ito po dapat.
Yan, dyan ka lagi sa ibabaw. Pag hindi mo na nakita yung line, you traffic check. 1, 2, 3. Ilang beses ka mag-stop?
Dito po dalawa. Kasi,
Isa lang. Yan, all way.
Kapag po, sorry po ulit. Kapag po all way,
Isa lang.
3-way,
4-way, or all way. Ibig sabihin, yung all way na yan, lahat kayo may stop, sign.
So
doon ka tumingin, Pag may stop sign doon sa kaliwa, it means 1 stop lang. Let's go. Okay, when you make a left turn, wag mong tatamaan yung line. Kasi -1 ka dyan. Yung speed mo when you're making a left or right, 10 miles per hour. Wag ka masyado mabagal or else bibigyan ka nila ng deduction. Okay, let's go na. Ipakita ko na, Punta na tayo sa routes. Actual routes na yung pupuntahan natin. Okay, medyo marami lang talaga rules and regulations na along the way. Kaya kahapon tinatanong kita kung gusto mo mag-lesson kahapon ng kahit 1 hour.
Oo, nasa work po kasi ako.
Oo. Kaya sabi ko, kaya in advance ko yung schedule natin para may 1 hour talaga tayo. Ilang beses?
Isa lang po.
Tandaan mo pag nakikita nila yung line, -1 ka yan.
Dapat
You don't need to see the line, hindi mo kailangan sagasaan yung line. Traffic check ka. Left, right, left. Mabilis lang yung traffic check mo. 1, 2, 3, alis na agad.
okay.
Tapos pag hindi mo na nakita yung line, you start looking left na. Right, left. Okay, ito. Let's go make a right turn at the stop sign. Sige, 100 feet before, pwede na. What is 100 feet before? It's like 10 cars. Okay, let's go make a right. Okay, ilang beses kang hinto?
Dito po, 2.
Tingin ka doon sa kaliwa mo.
2.
Dikit ka doon. Then, you always have to steer towards the right. Ito, tanda mo to Pag right turn ka, stop 1, stop 2. Then, you wait. Pag may libre ka ng gap, then you can go na. Ayan you can go na. You always, okay, let's go to the second lane from, let's go to the second lane from right. So, dito ka pumunta. Dito. Second lane from right. So 1 and 2. Let's go straight, please. Tandaan mo yung mga stopping line mo. Pag natatamaan mo yan, -1 yan. Pag nag-stop ka, tapos nakikita pa nila, -1 ka rin. Proper distance up front.
Nakikita po yung wheels.
Dalawang gulong and a bit of the road. -1 na sa isipin ko yun. Okay, tandaan mo, rules and regulations always apply sa exam mo. So, bantayan mo si speed limit mo. Pwede kang mag-5. So, yung 25 mo, -5, pwedeng 20. Paglaruan mo yung 20 hanggang 25. Bawal kang mag-lower than 20, upper or higher than 25. Okay, let's go straight. Kailangan mag-practice natin yung
Kinakabahan ko.
It's okay lang yan. Let's go straight. 25. Tignan mo, mabagal ka. You have to go 20 up to 25. Yun let's go straight. Yung hawak mo, tama yan. That's 9 and 3. Okay lang. Always stay closer to your left line. Kasi yung right side mo will always be bike lane. Parang yan stay closer ka sa yellow line. Yan. Kung ano man yung nakasulat, dapat nasa ibabaw ka nung nakasulat. Hindi ka pwede kung saan-saan lang more on rules and regulations ng beginners. Yan yung ideal na let's go straight. Pag sinabi niyang go straight, may mga arrows ka. Ilang beses ka hinto dito?
Isa lang po.
First in, first out. Dapat alam mo kung sinong nauna. Sino nauna? Okay, then you can go na. Dapat precise yan hindi ka dapat nangangapa dyan or else ibabagsak ka niya. Basta tignan mo, before ka mag-stop, tignan mo kung sino na yung naka-stop before ikaw. Paunahin mo sila lahat. Let's go make a left turn. Do you stop? Okay.
Sorry po, sorry.
It's alright. Okay, hindi. Kasi wala kang stop sign. Pero, inagaw na sa'yo yung
Minsan po may mga driver.
yan. Kaya, you have to make sure you always be safe sa exam mo. Tanda mo, hindi ka pwede mag-stop in the middle of the intersection, on top of a keep clear, on top of a bike lane, on top of a crosswalk. Palaging stop before. How many stops ito? Nalalampas dyan. Plus 1 ka dyan. So make a right. That's 2 stops.
And then kasi
Dito ka, kakabig ka sa kanan kasi pa kanan ka, di ba?
Tapos titignan ko po.
Yeah. Okay, then traffic check para makita mo yung ma-eliminate mo yung blind spot. And then you can go na. Palaging dikit ka, yung left tire mo, dikit mo sa left line mo. Ito yung left line. Mirror, over the shoulder.
Tapos doon pa lang po ako mag-aano.
Correct. And then how many stops?
2.
Alright, traffic check muna. Full stop followed by traffic check. Ngayon, silip ka na sa incoming vehicles. You full stop and then you traffic check. 1, 2, 3, alis na agad. Pag nabusinahan ka sa likod, it means mabagal yung galawan mo. -1 yun. Okay, what is your speed limit?
25.
Okay, so you go 25. go make a left, please. Hindi ka na nila dadalhin dito. Pero, let's go make a left. Doon ka sa traffic light. Sinong
Ay, di na po ako
wala na
dadalhin
yan.
dito.
Hindi ka na dadalhin dito. Malayo na to. Ang exam mo is 10 to 12 minutes lang. Pero, siksik liglig yan.
O pag ganun.
So you have to make sure na alam mo yung mga instructions natin. Kasi same din yan eh. Kung anong examine mo mamaya, yun din ang kapapagawa sa'yo. Okay, inside DMV, anong speed limit mo?
5.
5 to 10. Okay, pag ito nag-green, kung walang arrow, ibig sabihin it's not your right of way. Pag may arrow, right of way mo yun. Okay, pag walang arrow, lahat ng nandoon sila muna mauna. Diretso at kakanan. Pagkakaliwa, gas ba may kalat? Pwede kang sumabay sa kanila. Okay, gas ba may kalat? Go to your, ito 10 miles lang yung turns mo, 10 miles. Then, pag nakalampas ka na sa intersection, you go correct speed na. Ayan o, what is a blinking red? Ayan.
Stop and then...
First in, first out. It's like an all-way stop sign. So you make sure na stop properly. Dapat di nila kita yung line. Ayun, tingnan mo yung line. Yung first line. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw mauna dyan. You have to go. Dapat alam mo yan sa exam. Oh. Blinking red is first in, first out. Kung sino yung nauna, full stop, traffic check, get out. Kasi 3 seconds ka lang allowed dyan eh. After ng traffic check mo, 3 seconds na yun. Kung more pa, baka pusinahan ka na sa likod. Okay, so dito sa 7-Eleven, manggagaling ka dyan sa 7-Eleven. Kakanan ka. 2 stops yan. So make sure na gagawin natin yan mamaya. So half na to ng ano mo, half na ng route mo to. If you see hazards, ibig sabihin hindi yan aalis. So you have to make sure na ikutan mo lang yan.
Signal po.
Yan, signal ka lang. Mirror over the shoulder. Ikutan mo lang. Yan. Kasi hindi naman siya naka-block talaga. Then you go back. Okay. Tignan mo, mabilisan lang yung traffic check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, please change lane to the right after the parked car. Change lane to the right. Signal. Mirror over shoulder. Pasok. Yun. Tandaan mo yung mga checking mo. Huwag mo kakalimutan kasi you're only up to 15 minor errors. Pag nag-16 ka, bagsak ka na. You don't go on a red light. Dami, no? Kaya kahapon gusto ko magkaroon ng 1 hour lesson. Kasi talagang ano. Okay, kahit na binubusinahan ka dito huwag kang gagalaw. Ito, right turn only ito. Hindi ka pwedeng dumiretso dito, bagsak tayo agad kasi that's the wrong way. Okay, tandaan mo, you wait for the green light. Kahit binubusinahan ka sa likod, huwag kang gagalaw. It's just the green light. Pag sinabihan ka ng examiner mo, okay, let's go make a right turn. Kahit na naka-red, it means it's good. Kasi yung mga yan, sine-check ka nila. Okay, let's go make a right after this car. Let's go make a right. Oh, let's go na. Let's go make a right turn. Let's go. Let's go na. Right turn.
Kapag po ganun.
Yeah, let's go na. Green go. Let's go. Basta pag sinabihan kita, sinabihan ka ng examiner, good na yun.
Oo, okay na po yun.
Oo. Kasi nga, ano yun eh, tinitignan nila lahat ng nangyayari sa daan. Okay, ano speed limit mo dito?
This one is 30.
Okay. Please change lane to the left only if you can Oh, check your speed. Dapat mas mabilis ka doon sa nasa likuran mo. That's very good. Change lane to the right, pero ano ka, go 30.
Oh, 30.
Change lane to the right, please. Very good. Okay, bilisan mo lang yung
Yung pag ano.
over the shoulder mo. Pagka over the shoulder mo, harap ka agad. Kasi baka pag mamaya, naka over the shoulder ka, gumagalaw yung manubelo mo. Oh, speed limit. Very good na yan, very good.
Yung pag ano ko po na stop.
Yeah, it's okay lang. Bali, bigyan mo siya ng distance na mga parang 3 cars or 30 feet before ka mag-brake. Yeah, huwag ka magbe-brake ng sudden, huwag mo sasampalin yung brakes mo. Just make sure na mag-slow down ka, smooth lagi yung galaw mo. Okay, please turn on your park lights.
Oh, sorry. Park light.
Ito yung park lights mo, one time. Yan. Turn on your headlights.
Headlight.
All the way, hindi, yung isa rin. Yan pa rin.
Ito pa rin po.
All the way. Okay, let's go straight. Mamaya, isa-isayin natin yan hanggat makuha mo. Cancel your headlights. Yan, okay na yan. Let's go. Let's go straight. Oh, pag nag-yellow ito, dito, one car away from the line, you keep going. Stay in your lane. Bawal kang pag hindi ka sinabihan na mag-change lane, do not go anywhere. Dikit ka lang lagi sa top left line mo. Yung left line mo, kasi this is a shared lane. It means pwede kayo magsama ng biker mo. Let's go make a right turn. Here. Tandaan mo, right is to right, left is to left. Sundan mo yung right lane mo, sundan mo yung left line. Diretso. Huwag kang didikit dito sa curve mo kasi right side will always be a bike lane. Pwede silang nasa harap, pwede silang nasa side mo. Pag, let's say, may biker ka dyan, treat it as if it's a car. Kahit na nasa side siya, sundan mo lang siya, hindi ka pwede na. Okay, this is your yield sign. Yung yield sign mo is an inverted triangle. So, basically, ang yield sign mo is stop, check, and then go, pag clear. Pero sa exam mo, gusto nila gamitin mo yung traffic light. So pag red light yan, gusto nila mag full stop ka, you check the left, right, and left. Ngayon, pag green light yan, they want you to go super slow down while checking. Oh, let's go make a right. Tingnan mo. Oh, green, diba? Oh, you go super slow, then checkin mo yon. Baka mamaya, oh, let's go. Check mo na, pakita mo na tumitingin ka. Don't stop, it's a green light. It's a green light. Don't stop, it's a green light. Oh, you know.
Tingin lang po ako dito.
Yeah. Pag red light ka lang hihinto dyan. Tapos, wag ka mag-oversteer. And they will ask you to change lane to the left. Change lane to the left. Okay, tandaan mo, this is 25. Okay, and then you have to cancel your turn signal. Baka magkamali ka, akala mo magle-left turn ka. Let's go straight. Another blinking red. One. Oh, full stop yan ha. Pag hindi ka nagpo-full stop, -1 ka lagi. Make sure you make a full stop. Nag-zero yan or ganito gumanon yung examiner mo, it's okay na. Tapos watch out ka lagi dito kasi yan bigla sila pumapasok. Then this is going back to DMV na. Yun. Okay, ano na ulit yung speed limit mo sa DMV?
5 or 10.
Okay, 5 to 10. Pagdating mo dito, 5 to 10 na to, extended, extension na ng DMV. So let's go change lane to the left. Okay, pagdating mo dito, you have to make sure full stop ka lagi dito. Kasi sila may right of way sa'yo. Pag may lumalabas dito, hintayin mo lang silang lumabas. Tignan mo may mga tao. So hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw. Ubusin mo yung mga yan. Now let's go na. Kasi mukhang tatawid lang sila. Doon ka sa left lane, left arrow.
Oh, left arrow.
Yeah, kasi then right lane yan yung galing doon. Let's go make a right turn, go to the left lane.
Sorry po.
Ang left lane mo dito is yung red curve. Dito ka. Pag sinabing middle, dito ka pupunta.
So dito po yun.
Let's go make a left. 5 to 10 ka na, ang paa mo sa brakes na lang. Sipin mo, pag natamaan mo yung curve, bagsak tayo. Pag may sasakyan sa harap, dito ka lang sa gitna, one way. Ayan sige lang, let's go straight. Pag may sasakyan or sa harapan mo, it's always one car. Dito ka lang sa gitna. Kasi magra-right turn ka dito baka matamaan mo yung curve. Let's go make a right. Never forget to stop here. Let's go make a right. Lampasan mo ng konti yung curve and then you go all the way. Paa mo sa brakes lang. Yan tandaan mo, meron kang stop sign dyan. Ang daming bumabagsak dyan. Okay, let's go make a left. Tapos padidiretsuhin ka na doon, papark ka sa yellow curve. Let's go make a left. Let's have a mock test. Ito na yung exam mo Kinat short natin yung exam mo. Let's go make a right at the stop sign, please. Dito ka lang sa lane dito. 2 lanes yan. How many?
2.
Alright, make sure you full stop and traffic check. Mabilis na traffic check lang.
Oh.
Just make sure na, dito tawag masyado dyan. Okay, check. Keep going. Keep looking doon. Left and right. Kasi yung examiner mo, they want you to keep on checking. Your examiner feels safe. Pasado na tayo. Let's go make a left, please. How many stops?
Still
2. Kasi walang stop sign doon. 1. Mabilisan lang. 2, 3. Then you don't steer huwag ka nang pupunta ng more than the manholes. Okay, make sure na walang parating. Then you can go na. Pag may parating dito, either side, bagsak tayo. Meron pang backing. Meron pang backing. Okay. Let's go make a right muna. Turuan muna kita ng backing. Let's go make a left pala. Left. Yung full stop mo muna. 1, 2, 3, alis na agad. When you make a left turn, wag mong sasagasaan yung white line. This is one stop.
This is...
Ito, tingnan mo, may stop sign sa left. Sige na.
So wag ko pong sasagasahin itong line na to?
Yeah. -1 yung mga. You have to go. Ang bagal natin, 5 lang. Keep the lane clear. Walang obstruction. Or else -1 ka lang, -1. Marami pa tayo oras. Okay, let's go straight. How many stops?
1.
2.
2?
1, 2, 3. Tignan mo yung kaliwa pag walang stop sign dyan. You have to go to your second stop. Kasi sisilipin mo yung mga sasakyan. Let's go straight. Pag wala na, you keep going. Kaya ganun ka, silip ka lang ng silip. Ito yung command nila dito. Let's pull into the curb. Para ka nag-change lane to the right. Slow down na. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder. Tapos bilang ka ng 3 curve. Start ka lagi sa long curve. 1, 2, doon. Tapos nakikita mo yung button na yan, yung square na yan. Itapat mo siya doon sa curve para tamang palagi kang nasa correct distance from the curve. Doon ka lang sa long curve kasi you cannot block a driveway. Ngayon, tingnan mo. Okay, very good, di ba? Dito lang lagi yung mga long, ay mga bigger gardens dyan ka. Okay, ang command lang nila dito is let's go back up. Okay, proper position is your left hand 12 o'clock, right hand dito sa likod or dito. Titingin ka sa likod kasi you're checking if there are cars parking or pedestrians walking. Dito kasi you have to maintain your proper distance from the curb. Let's go back up na. Si examiner mo magsasabi when to stop. Let's go back up, please. Hindi lang, bigyan mo sila ng 5 miles. Yung parang nasa loob ka ng DMV. Thank you. Stop the car. Galing-galing ka pala eh. So it's good. Just pull out of the curb. Practice tayo ng pull out of the curb, signal, mirror. Yun. Tapos magpa-practice tayo ng obstruction. Alam mo ang mga obstruction? Yung mga yan. FedEx, mga Prime, mga UPS. Okay, hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta mag-turn dyan. Ang gagawin mo is you need to stop. Hindi ka nasasabihan ng examiner dyan. Doon ka, mga 1 car distance. Dapat kita mo yung 2 gulong. Stop ka dito. Make sure you traffic check. Signal ka rin, signal. Yun, pasok. Then, ikutan mo lang yan. Yeah. But you have to turn signal pa rin. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder ka ulit. Wala ka signal, mirror. Signal kasi you have to show yung mga nasa likod na magto-turn ka. Let's go make a right turn, please. How many stops? 2. Let's go. 1 and 2. Pag yung 2, doon ka sa curb. Kasi that's the safest pagdating sa right turn. Let's go. This is 2 stops. Doon ka magantay, doon. Kakabig ka dyan, kakabig ka. Dapat ganyan, 1, tingnan mo to. 1 and 2. Dito, ganyan. Dito sa 7-Eleven, ganyan. Let's go. Once you're clear, you keep going. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-camping. Nag-camping ka doon. Ako po. Sunog. Okay, let's keep going straight. Let's go make a right. Yan, ilang beses ka hinto?
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Ay,
Pero,
dapat po ba yung stop, dahil walang line or dun ako mag-stop?
dito,
Dun sa may-
dito. Isa lang
dito.
yung line mo. Yan.
And then,
Basta may line, doon ka sa stopping line, huwag kang pupunta doon. Always go to your correct lane, which is right beside the
Line.
left line. Kung ano man yung left line mo, it could either be yellow or white. Dapat nakadikit ka lang. Ito yung line mo, no? Dito ka lang. Huwag kang pupunta sa bike lane. Yeah. Sa exam mo, very strict sila. At the stop sign, let's go make a right. Nalilito ka pa ba sa traffic sign? 1 or 2 stops? Okay, pag may nakita kang 3-way, 4-way, all-way, isang beses
Isang
lang yan.
beses.
Automatic stop. Traffic check. Mabilis. 1, 2, 3, alis agad. Oh. Tandaan mo, left, right, left ang proper. Pag left, right lang ginawa mo, minus ang
Left, right,
left, right, left, front. Let's go make a left turn. Sino mauna?
sila po.
Okay, saan ka mag-stop? Alright. Oh, pag may sasakyan dyan, sino mauna sa inyo? Oh, go ka na.
Ako po kasi may stop po sila.
Uy, very good. Let's go. Parang nanonood ka ng video.
Nanonood po ako ng video nyo. Kaso,
Let's go, Miss. Hindi ka
Terry.
kasi practice Miss TERRi eh.
Pero ano po ka ng video?
Hindi, basta nanonood ka ng video, may idea ka. Okay, let's go straight, please.
Okay.
Actual routes ito. Okay, how many stops?
Isa lang po.
Alright. Dali na yan. Pag hindi mo na nakita yung line, 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
3,
1,
4.
2,
Let's go.
3.
Yeah, let's go na. Oh, tignan mo. Wag ka na, let's go na, let's go na.
Ano po?
Oo.
Oh.
Hindi ka na pwede doon.
Mag-camping?
Hindi ka pwede mag-camping doon. Imbitahin mo na yung dalawang yun. Pero pag may naglalakad, you have to stop. Huwag kang mag-stop sa intersection. 1, 2, pero you have to full stop. 3. Let's go straight. Bilisan lang yan. Once you finish your traffic check, get out of the intersection. Hindi ka pwede dyan magtambay. Okay. Tignan mo yan, wala kang stop sign. Sila meron. You keep going lang. What is your speed limit? Tignan mo. Under speed ka. Naka 15 ka lang. At least 20. Sino mauna sa inyo?
Siya po, kasi
Ikaw.
Ay, ako pa rin po?
Yeah, kasi may stop sign yan eh. May
Yung
stop
ano
sign
lang.
siya. Ikaw, wala kang stop sign. Okay, let's go make a right turn, please. Ilang stop?
2.
Alright. Always stop on top of the
Oh,
word,
the
the
S,
stop. Okay, mabilisan. 1, 2. Then kabig ka sa kanan. Mamaya hindi na ako magsasalita. Mag-test
po.
na talaga tayo. You know, once it's clear, you keep going. Doon ka sa yellow. Yun, dikit ka lagi sa yellow. Tignan mo sila, oh. Nasa loob lang ng yellow. Let's go straight. What is your speed limit? Okay, let's go straight, please. Oh, mabilisan yan. Sinong mauna?
Ako po.
Oh, you have to go, you have to go. Change lane to the right. Pag nagsalubong kayo sa gitna, bagsakan. So you have to make sure kung sinong nauna sa inyong dalawa. Okay, traffic light. Let's go make a right turn. No, keep clear. Bawal ka sa gitna niya. Mag-green na yan. Basta tandaan mo pag pinayagan ka na examiner mo, yes. Let's go make a right. Okay. Ang speed mo 10 miles. Go to your correct lane, oh. Ayan. Correct lane. Right is to right lane. Diretso doon. Wag kang mapupunta dyan. Baksak yan.
Ay, ganun.
Oo. Basta you keep following your left line. That's oversteering. Hindi nila gusto yan. Let's go straight, please.
So, nagkamali po ba ako dapat dito?
Tama yan. Tama yun.
Oh, sorry.
Kaso nga lang, napunta ka doon
Dun
sa
isang line.
parking lane yan. Parking lane. Hindi ka pwede dyan. You keep going straight. Change lane to the left, please. Huwag kang magbe-brake. Dapat mas mabilis ka kaysa doon sa harap, nasa likuran mo. Pag nag-brake ka, you lose your speed, you fail. Change lane to the right, please. You know? Hindi ka pwedeng mas mabagal. Mas mabilis pa yung nasa likod mo. Abutan ka nun. Kanina, nagpa-practice kami, walang ulan. Sabi ko na, nag-accumulate lang ng ulan. Madilim yung langit kanina. Ito ka lang lagi. Kasi right side mo, bike lane. Dapat di kita ng examiner mo yung line. Galing ka na eh. Kaso nga lang,
Kaya ka,
kulang tayo ng practice.
Opo.
Kulang.
nagpa-practice po ako sa may pag-uwi, freeway.
Oo. Pero ito na yun. Ito na yung exam mo. Ito na yun mismo. Let's go make a right turn, please. Yun lang, mabagal yan. Kasi under 10 ka. Pero worst comes to worst, 1 point deduction lang. It's alright na. We have 15. Let's go make a right turn, please. Huwag mo tatamaan yung mga bottoms na ganyan. -1 din yan. Ibig sabihin, ano pa sa kabila. Let's go make a right, please. Oh, red light. Pakita ko sa'yo kung saan ka dapat mag-stop. Doon sa edge of the curb. Kasi dapat kita mo sila ganyan, ha. Oh, dito ka, no? Oh, check. Wala.
Wala.
Ayun, may parating galing sa taas. Naka-green light yan. Yan.
Ayun pong doon, no?
Yan, naka-green light yan. Oh, wala, let's go na. Let's go make a right. Sundan mo yung line mo. Kasi kanina napunta ka doon. Change lane to the left, please. Okay. Once you change lane, you cancel third signal na. Kasi baka magkalituhan ka na akala mo mag-left turn ka. Okay, again, what is your blinking red?
I have to stop and then look muna. Wala
Oo.
namang mga person na
Correct.
person.
Yeah, no, first in, first out yan. First in,
First
first out. Kung totally turn off ang traffic lights mo, it's the same thing. First in, first out ka pa rin. Okay. So, we're going inside DMV. Then, mock test tayo.
Okay po ba yan? 1:30?
Yeah, 1:30. Ang exam mo is 10 to 12 minutes na. Yung waiting period ang matagal. So, habang naghihintay tayo, practice natin yung mga auxiliary equipments mo. Alright, please change lane to the left. Dito, 5 to 10 ka na lang. 5 to 10 miles per hour. Change lane to the left. It's okay. Take a pause lagi dito. Let's go make a left, please. Tandaan mo, left turn, left arrow. Dapat nandun ka sa correct lane mo. Tingnan mo yung correct lane mo. Oh, mali yan.
Ay, mali dito po dapat.
Okay, this time let's go to the middle lane. Middle lane. Let's go make a right. Go to the middle lane, please.
Hindi po ako nakapag-slip.
It's alright. -1 yan. It's alright lang. At least -1. Let's go make a left turn here, please. Dalawang lanes dito this time. Go to your correct lane lang. Tignan mo. Let's go make a left. Use your brakes lang. Pag natamaan mo si curb, bagsak. Okay, yun. Let's go straight. Let's do it again. Tapos, pababalikin ka na sa end of the drive test mo.